Welcome children. Let us continue worksheet 1, third main. See here, there are many different steps to solve the multiplication. But here you are having the basic steps. So you have to learn the basic first. Later you can solve in any different way. Got it children? Yes. Now we will solve the third main. See here. The first one is 437 into 211. Again we are doing the same basic steps here. 437 multiplied by 211. The 211 can be written as 200 plus 10 plus 1, isn't it? Yes. Now step 1. Step 1, 437 multiplied by 1. Yes, 1 7s are 7, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. That means 437 in a first step 1. Now step 2. 437 multiplied by 10. Yes, here 1 0 is there, so I'll put a 1 0. 1 7s are 7, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. I got 4370. Now step 3. 437 multiplied by 200. Here I am having 2 0, so I will write 2 zeros. 2 7s are 14. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 4s are 8. Here 87,400. Now add these 3 steps. 7, 10, 4, 8, 12. 7, 12, 9. That is 92,207. Yes, now we will go to the second one. Second one is 713 into 217. Write this one. 713 into 217, like this. 217 can be written as 200 plus 10 plus 7. Now step 1. 713 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 1s are 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 7s are 49. Here 4991. Now step 2. 713 multiplied by 10. Yes, 1 0 I am having. I'll write a 0. 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1. 1 7s are 7. That is 7130. Now step 3. 713 into 200. 2 zeros. Put 2 zeros. Then 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 14. Yes. Now write 142600. Now add these 3 steps. 1, 12, 10, 11, 17. 7, 9, 10, 14. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1. I got 1,54,721. See here, children, you have to practice well. Third one. Next we will move on to the third one, that is 982 into 133. I'll write 982 into 133 like this, and 133 can be written as, come on children, 100 plus 30 plus 3, isn't it? Yes. Now in a step 1, 982 multiply by 3. Yes. 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27 plus 2 is 31. Sorry, 3 9s are 27 plus 2 is 29. 2946. Now, step 2. 982 multiplied by 30. That means here I am having 1 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27 plus 2 is 29. 29460. Yes. Now step 3. Yes. 982 into 100. 2 zeros. Put 2 zeros. 1 2s are 2. 1 8s are 8. 1 9s are 9. I got 98,200 in a step 3. Now add these 3 steps. 6, 10, 10, 14, 16. 16, 10, 20. 13. I got 1,30,606. Fourth one. 1732 into 259. See here. Here the 4-digit and a 3-digit number is there. Yes. Here we have 3 steps. Again we have 3 steps. The 259 can be written as 200 plus 50 plus 9, isn't it? Yes. Now step 1. In step 1, what is multiplicand? 1732. 1732 multiply by 9. Yes. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27 plus 1 is 28. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 2 is 65. 9 1s are 9 plus 6 is 15. I got 15588 in a step 1. Now step 2. 1732 multiply by 50. Yes, here I have 1 0, so I'll write 1 0 here. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 is 16. 5 7s are 35 plus 1 is 36. 5 1s are 5 plus 3 is 8. Here I got 86600 in a step 2. Now step 3. 1732 multiply by 200. Here I am having 2 zeros. So I will write a 2 zeros here. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes, here I got 3 4 6 4 0 0. Add these three numbers. See here, write the numbers in a column properly. 8 8 15 18 6 6 6 6 3s are 18, 8 9 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 4. I got 4,48,588. Got it, children? I will do the next one also. See here, the fourth one, D, do by yourself. E, I have done. F also I will do here. F1, 1083 multiply by 847. Yes, 847 can be written as 800 plus 40 plus 7. Yes, now step 1. Multiplicand 1083 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 8s are 56 plus 2 is 58. 7 zeros are 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 ones are 7. See here, children, you have to learn the table properly. Okay, in step 2 I got 7,581. Step 2, 1083 multiply by 40. I have 1 0, I'll write 0 here. 4 3s are 12. 4 8s are 32 plus 1 is 33. 4 zeros are 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 ones are 4. I got 4 3 3 2 0 in a step 2. Now step 3. 1083 into 800. 2 zeros. Put a 2 zeros. 8 3s are 24. 8 8s are 64 plus 2 is 66. 8 zeros are 0 plus 6 is 6. 8 ones are 8. 8 6 6 4 0 0. Add these three steps. 1 10 13 17 6 9 10 17 11 9 lakh 17,301. Yes, again we will move on to a fourth main. See here, using the digit 3 1 and 5 only once, write the smallest and the largest 3-digit number. Also find their product. Listen carefully. Here they are asking the smallest 3-digit number using 315 and a largest 3-digit number using 315 only once. First we should write the smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number is, here they are given the digits 3, 1 and a 5, isn't it? Yes, by using these three numbers, the smallest 3-digit number can be written in a ascending order. 135. 135 is the smallest 3-digit number and largest 3-digit number. Largest 3-digit number can be written in a descending order 531. Here they are asking the product of these two numbers. That means 135 into 531 we have to find out here. Yes, I'll write 135 into 531. We can write in a two different way. 531 into 135 also possible. Yes. Now 531 can be written as 500 plus 30 plus 1. Now step 1. 135 into 1. That means 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. I got 135. Now step 2. 135 into 30. Here I am having 1 0. I'll write 0. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10. And 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4050 in a step 2. Now step 3. 135 into 500. Here I am having 2 zeros. Write a 2 zeros here. Now multiply 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is 17. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 is 6. Write 67500. Add these three steps. 5 8 6 11 7. I got the product of smallest 3-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number is 71,685.